Superb, awesome. So welcome to the show. It is going to be called Tech for Non-Tech, जहाँ पर we'll be
हम्म,
giving out tech solutions for non-tech people in a very simple manner,
हम्म,
सीधे तरीके से
हम्म,
because they are non-tech as the name suggests, and
हम्म,
very important in today's time जहाँ tech बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पीड में आगे बढ़ रहा है.
हम्म,
By the way, viewers, I'm going to tell you one thing. He is incredibly talented and a self-taught developer, जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है curiosity आज के टाइम पे. And for the TVF pictures, guys, 17 का है ये. Tanay, how old are you?
I'm 19, right?
19. चलो, not far enough. 19 का है ये. We're gonna call you Dungeon Master. सो डीएम साहब, मैंने बहुत ही पहले एक केस स्टडी जमा करने की ट्राई करी थी. आई हैड सेंट मल्टीपल आई हैड सेंट लिंक टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जहां पर मुझे केस स्टडी आया था. सो आई हैव गॉट वन थिंग. विल डू वेरी सिंपल थिंग टुडे. एक केस स्टडी लेंगे,
हम्म,
उसमें एक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है,
हम्म,
एंड विल सिंपली गो
हम्म,
फर्दर को सॉल्व करने के लिए. जहां पर आई एम द नॉन टेक गाय, यू आर द टेक गाय,
हम्म,
सो दैट इट्स अ
हम्म,
बैलेंस रेशियो. इजी कर देंगे. डू नॉट यूज एनी मच jargons जो लोगों को नहीं समझ आएगा.
हम्म,
Keep it very simple, very basic, and
हम्म,
we'll start off. All right.
okay.
So I've got this guy. Hi, my name is Moksh, and I am a 21-year-old BMS graduate.
हम्म,
Okay, BMS graduate, already a good start, a complete non-tech guy. I want to start a sneaker business for which I want a landing page to display my sneaker for resale. Okay,
Okay.
मोक्ष, I'm gonna be मोक्ष now. ठीक है, मैं 21 years का हूँ, and मुझे
हम्म,
एक landing page बनाना है. So what we'll do is we'll go about like with what AI tools that help us build a landing page. So simple है, केस स्टडी समझ आ गया. मैं मोक्ष हूँ, मेरे को एक लैंडिंग पेज बनाना है और मैं स्नीकर रीसेल करता हूँ. हाउ डू वी गो अबाउट इट?
So what happens? There is a basically एक stage होती है किसी भी चीज को डेवलप करने की. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू डिसाइड कि कैसे किया जाता है. लाइक व्हाट इज योर मोटिव, राइट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू डिसाइड कि आपको मतलब फ्यूचर में यू वांट टू एक्सपांड दिस टू मेक इट एज अ ई कॉमर्स स्टोर, और यू हैव टू स्टार्ट एन ई कॉमर्स स्टोर, लेट्स से. And or you just have to be like you just have to create a single landing page, that's it. So we have a lot of tools for that. One for this, I would recommend for this project, which is like a simple landing page for a sneakers brand, let's say. So that is there is a tool, AI website builder tool of Wix Studios.
Okay.
So they recently did, and it has really great aesthetics to it. It has got really great aesthetics to it, and it has basically the modern design, the modern UX and UI which people tend to like,
ठीक है.
and it will fit with the
ठीक है.
brand image of any agency brand basically.
Okay. Yes, so the first tool is Wix. They have just introduced their AI website builder. So what it does, it gives you a design and you can just like create your landing page. You can basically create a something to show to your customers within like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So
Hmm.
we're gonna show you to you how it works, or
Hmm.
that works actually.
Zero to MVP in 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so. Let's go.
So basically we have to come to wix.com/AI website builder. And यहाँ पर एक button है. We have a button called Create with AI. So we
Okay.
just have to click it.
Sorted.
Okay. And if you I'm already logged in, if you're not logged in, it's gonna ask you to log in. So
Okay.
what we have to do, we have to say start chat.
Okay.
Now it is basically gonna ask you about the entire brand or whatever you are trying to create. So
Okay.
let's say for example, for the example purposes, we are
Hmm.
gonna create a sneaker brand as
Correct.
there was, there was a mention
लैंडिंग
of it,
पेज
right?
बनाना है फॉर माई स्नीकर कंपनी. मैं स्नीकर बेच रहा हूँ, मेरे को एक लैंडिंग पेज बनाना है.
Perfect.
ठीक है.
So so what I'm gonna do कि मैं इसको बताऊंगा अपने चीजों के बारे में. Then it is going to ask me other questions as well
ठीक है.
to basically frame it better. So let's answer the question. So first question it is asking that is that tell me what is your site is all about.
ठीक
So I'm
है.
gonna say it's a modern day Gen Z sneaker brand, right?
ओके.
Okay. So it is now generating and it is going to ask me more questions basically. So what's the name of your sneaker brand? So let's
फॉर नाउ,
say I'm decide.
कुछ भी रख लो चलेगा.
Hmm?
स्टार स्टार स्नीकर्स.
So let's say for now I'm saying Star sneakers,
ठीक
or
है.
let's say I'm saying Pulse sneakers. Pulse
ठीक.
I'm giving as
हाँ ठीक
okay.
है. ठीक है, सही ब्रांड नेम है. अब पसंद आए तो चालू कर देंगे.
Okay, so
Pulse. Okay.
now it is going to ask you more questions that how it can basically how it can be basically create a
Sneakers.
website so
Sneakers.
that it has some sort of uniqueness.
Okay.
So it is asking basically what type of products you are planning to offer under Pulse.
ठीक है.
So I'm going to basically say sneakers
फिलहाल के लिए स्नीकर्स ही करते हैं,
brand.
नथिंग मोर. वो लेट अस नॉट
Okay.
कंफ्यूज इट. हाँ.
Okay, so I'm saying sneakers and let's see. It is now generating. Now it is again asking you what are your additional goals for Pulse. So in future, where I want to go with this,
E-com.
right? With this project.
E-com. Moksha
Let's
wants
say
to do an
I'm saying
e-com.
e-commerce premium brand.
Yes. Yes. Works.
Brand. So I'm just giving that as well. Now it will basically start generating the website. That
अच्छा.
the UI and UX of the website. Can you share unique sell? Yes. So we have to give a selling point, which it has to basically, showcase in its sections.
Lowest
So that's why
lowest
it is
price in the
asking.
market. Lowest price is the, I mean, price can never be a USP, but ठीक है. अभी के लिए मोक्ष is just a start. मतलब he is a budding entrepreneur. उसको नहीं पता ये बात, तो वो सबसे सस्ते में बेच रहा है माल.
Okay, so I'm putting as basically
Lowest
lower
price and
best fit.
हाँ ठीक है, चलेगा. फिट तो नहीं, बट बेस्ट. एक सेकंड, सिंस ये जेंजी है तो बेस्ट ड्रिप डालो. मतलब सबसे नया लेटेस्ट लॉन्चेस आ जाएंगे.
So अभी मैंने कर दिया है अभी, तो I
हाँ
cannot
ठीक है,
just
ठीक है, चलेगा. चलो.
reverse.
No
Okay.
issues.
So now it is asking what is your selling point? Great selling point. Now what is your story behind Pulse? So now it can ask you a number of questions about your businesses. That question can be anything, basically, and you can skip them if you want. So for now, I'm going to skip this question.
Okay, sorted.
Yes. Okay. So it is basically ready. So now we can start to generate the website. So I just clicked on, basically generate site. Now in about 2 to 3 minutes, it's gonna generate the entire website, and
अच्छा.
and also as soon as it generates, you can just buy a domain and make it live ASAP, like
हाँ,
within
नहीं
like 2
नहीं,
minutes.
सेकंड वाले पार्ट पे मोक्ष को कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. बहुत आगे चले गए. सिंपली एक मेरे को टूल बना दो. मेरे को पापा को इम्प्रेस करके 50,000 रुपए मांगने हैं.
So as you see, यहाँ पे generate हो रहा है. We can see in the right corner, right part, that it is generating, and you can see everything, basically all the details which is going to give in left side.
Meanwhile, अगर इसको वेटिंग टाइम पे रख के एक और वेबसाइट अगर हम स्टार्ट कर दें इन द राइट हैंड साइड, सो दैट वी कैन कंपेयर द आउटपुट. व्हाट डू यू से? कि रुक जाए?
Yes, sure. So there are two types of generators. So one type of generator is just like you don't have to do anything. You
अच्छा.
cannot control anything at all.
ठीक
The
है.
second type of generator is basically they are giving you a code which works.
Okay.
And they, at later stage, if you want to make it bigger or if you want to go somewhere with that, you can just take that code and you can build on top of it.
So for this case study, मान के चलो कि मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता है, तो which is the best case generator मुझे जाना चाहिए? मतलब मुझे ना टेक का नॉलेज है, ना मुझे इसको वेबसाइट को कहीं पे डालने आता है, ना इसको लाइव करने आता है. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता. मेरे को बस ऐसा है कि मेरा वेबसाइट चालू हो जाए. So what am I supposed to do?
So for if you don't know anything about tech, you don't know how to host anything, the Wix is the best platform because it is going to give you you see the website is being built in front of us, okay, and it is going to give you an entire good looking page which will be automatically hosted on Wix.com, and you can just continue with the design and all, and you can just buy a domain from them, and that's it. Your website is live. You don't have to do anything. So you see the website which it has created. So you see that.
Okay, cool. ठीक है.
See, so now the advantage with this is that you can just tweak in design. If you want, you can change anything.
Okay.
Right? If you say tweak designs, so it is going to just try to generate more closer to. It is going to get you more closer to the prompts which you had given earlier.
Understood.
That is basically how it works. Some photos haven't loaded up. I mean, you can change it according to your needs. But I think I like the first version better, right?
Okay. अच्छा, मतलब मेरे पास वर्जन का भी ऑप्शंस है यहाँ पे. मतलब मैं या तो तो क्या मैं जितने वर्जन्स चूज कर सकता हूँ? लाइक एन नंबर ऑफ ट्वीकिंग्स अवेलेबल है मेरे पास कि आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पेमेंट आ जाता है?
No, you don't have to. You just have to pay for basically hosting. It is a very minimal fee. For
ठीक है.
generation
So,
of
so to
website, it is
create so
completely
to
free.
create a landing page, I do not have to pay 2 weeks, right? It's completely
No,
free.
no, no. You don't have to.
ठीक है, sorted.
Basically, if you like the design, you can click on continue to design. Okay, so
Okay, cool.
yes,
So
so
we have got.
it this design. So okay, so it has generated the design, right? As
Mm-hmm.
you can see, the page looks really good. It looks modern. It is sellable. You can, if someone sees this,
Mm-hmm.
they'll be like, yeah, it is a good website,
Fine.
and it is basically it does have some sort of modern UI UX to it.
Correct.
So if you are good with it, I mean, you see it, you like it. So what you can do, you just have to click on continue with this design, right?
Design. Okay. Okay.
So as soon as you click on this button called continue with the design,
Mm-hmm.
you just have to enter the name of your brand, basically the domain name,
Oh, okay.
right?
Okay.
So as soon as you enter, you can buy the domain name and blah, your website is live.
Okay. So this was basically the फर्स्ट वर्जन. अगर अगर मुझे इसमें इमेजेस चेंज करना है, सो इज दैट पॉसिबल इसी
Yes.
में, या वो ट्वीट डिजाइन करते करते मुझे इमेजेस चेंज करना पड़ेगा, या प्रॉम्प्ट देना पड़ेगा कि इमेजेस चेंज कर
So
दो?
you see here, there's a button called continue to the editor, right?
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
If you click on that, you'll be redirected to this website, which is the same website, but this page rather.
ओके.
It's a editor. It's a Wix editor. The page has loaded completely. And now you can see the entire website which we had made. Now we can edit it however we want, right? Now let's say you need to edit this text, right? You can just click on it and you can generate the text even using AI, or you can just edit it, whatever you want to, let's say I want to say Kickstarter style. No, just that's it. You don't have to do anything in code and it has been changed.
Awesome. Can you simply just generate it with AI? का एक काम करते हैं, like what does that feature do? एक बार बताओ कि अगर मैं generate with AI करूँ तो क्या होगा?
So let's say आपने बोला है generate text with AI, right?
Mm-hmm.
No, so it is basically it will give you a chat box type kind of thing where you can ask about the name and all. You can ask for
Okay.
suggestions,
Okay.
and if you accept that, you can basically put it right there.
Okay.
It's kind of like Chat GPT, but
Okay.
it is basically fine tuned to behave in a certain manner.
Fair. समझ गया. ठीक है. Got it. And
So
so
now,
that's how I can edit, और अगर मैं image भी change करना तो that's how I'm going to change it, right? एक बार
yes,
image
yes.
change का अगर बता सकते हो, so
So basically, what you can do, you can just click on any image which you want to change. So you see there is called slider gallery, right?
okay.
Now you can upload your products. First of all, you have to upload in Wix Manager, and then you can select that what to show and what not to show. So basically, all the type of layout display things. So let's say you remove the product name, so you don't have any product name. You see that? If you include it now, if you say I want a divider between name and price, because you select that. So it's basically it's giving you a control without any code. You can just whatever you want to do, you can nitpick, you can try all the permutation combinations, and that's it. You'll have everything running.
So how do I
Some
go
features are
about it?
there
How do I
that
go
will-
about it? अगर मुझे एक इमेज चेंज करना है, Wix मैनेजर क्या होता है मुझे नहीं पता ना, मैं तो अभी BMS का बंदा हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है. So how do I change it?
So let's say you have to change the image, right?
Okay.
Now, first of all, there are certain things which you can only do when you are a pro member.
Okay.
So you need to upgrade in order to do that.
अच्छा, तो
But
मतलब
let's say I wanna
change करने के लिए मुझे पैसा भरना पड़ेगा.
no, certain image. It depends what are you trying to do. Let's say there you have a slide gallery, right? Now, if you want to edit that, just a quick edit. So you have to go and select that part. So you see manage products thing, manage products button. You have to click on that. It's gonna give you your Wix dashboard. And you see here in catalogs, you have all the products which you want to list. You can add in inventory, you can remove from inventory. So basically that display itself, you see new product.
Okay.
So it is basically Wix dashboard. It is giving you complete e-commerce, because what we had told the AI agent that to create something which can be evolved into e-commerce
And
website,
e-commerce,
right?
correct.
Yeah. So it has basically made that it has some, it has a pre-built backend systems which it connects to everyone who is creating their website. So
Okay.
you already have now your inventory management, your CMS management. So you don't have to spend any other money to get all of those things done.
Correct.
So in order to, like, let's say you had mentioned to change the image, so you just have to go here, you just have to click here, and you have to edit the product.
Okay.
Okay, now you have image. You can add image, you can remove the image as well.
Okay.
So let's say I want to edit this image only,
Okay.
right?
Hmm.
So yeah, as I said, sorry, as I clicked on edit image, you see you have options to basically change the image as well. Basically, you can extend it. Let's say you have an image which is not exactly in the ratio which you want it to be, right?
Correct.
So it has a feature where you can like extend it. Let's say I want to extend it to 3 by 4, right? You see extend image button over here.
Mm-hmm.
If you click on that, it is going to extend the entire thing. So you see,
Oh, super.
like
Awesome.
perfectly.
Hmm.
It is not looking like that there is some sort of,
Correct.
border between the actual aspect ratio and the extended one.
But
So if you want to edit the image,
how
you
do I
can,
put the product image जो मैंने खींचा हुआ है या जो मेरे पास जिस चीज का प्रोडक्ट है?
yes, so वो करने के लिए आपको यहाँ पर add करना पड़ेगा, and then you have to remove this thing in an image.
Understood. Okay.
So then you
तो वो
can
मैं
add images and you can add videos. These are the default images, so you just might remove them and you add another ones which you have captured.
understood.
Okay. And then you can edit all the details over here. And as you do that and you click on save button, as you do that, it will be reflected over here as well.
Sorted.
Right. So it is basically, it's a very handy tool if you want to create a brand, if you want to create a e-commerce website, right? It is just is like anyone can do it. If somebody was born, if somebody is even 5 year olds, they're able to do it. It's so simple.
Awesome. Yeah. So let me just summarize it in a very simple manner. मुझे जाना है wix.com पे, editor.wix.com पे. I just need to chat with the AI. It will ask me questions, and then boom. If I like the version, I need to keep it, or else I need to tweak the design, and I can choose whatever versions I like. And अगर मुझे edit करना है, तो मुझे editor में आना है, and basically, sorry, you have to be continue to edit the design, right? और फिर मुझे
Yes, exactly. So after you generate the design, if you like the design, that's okay. If you don't like the design, you can reiterate. And when you think that that's the perfect design which I want, you can just go ahead and publish your website.
Super. And all this is like the creation of this entire thing is for free, and I do not have to pay a rupee for that. Perfect.
Yes, you don't have to pay. You have certain features which are paid. I mean, it depends like what are you trying to build. And also if you are like publishing a lot of websites, that is going to cost you something, right? So you cannot you cannot publish unlimited websites in free plan, but yeah, you can certainly do some. And
Got it.
also for MVP stage, it is really good thing to have in hand.
Absolutely. If I can go to 0 to MVP in about 10 minutes or maybe half an hour, this is what is an ideal thing. So I hope Moksh, Wix is the thing for you if you want to build a sneaker thing until we explore other options. For now, I guess this will have you sorted. All right, Tanay. Thank you so much for letting us know the first part on Tech for Non-Tech. It was nice having you. जहाँ पर we learned about Wix. Let us move further to the next episode. Until then, tata bye bye. Thank you so much.